Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of matplotlib tutorial series. So, in our last video tutorials, we saw like how to plot the graph, with by using grids, by setting the x limits, y limits, and using the ticks. So now we'll be discussing how to style the graphs. So let's go ahead and do that. You could like style the graph in different way. You could change the way the line looks. You could make it dotted. You could change the color. You could add markers to the data point. You could do like quite a variety of things. Let's see how to do that step by step. Let's go ahead and change the appearance of the line. So let's say I want my graph to look dotted. I want my line to look dotted. So all you have to do is specify it over here. You just pass it as another argument. Save and press F5. So what's wrong here? Why? I think something is missing. Range values. So this is for solid line. So you press another one, so it's for dotted line. So I'm getting confused. So now your graph is dotted. So it's like a way to differentiate between the graphs. So you open this up. You open this up. So your first graph will be dotted and your other graph will be solid. So solid is a default argument, so you don't have to specify it. So if you open this up, so you get to see this is solid and this is, this is solid and this is dotted. So this is one way of doing. So you could, there are like different variety of styles. So you could make it like dashed dotted. So if you do it, then let's see how it looks. It's like dashed and dotted. So close this up, and if you want it to be like purely dotted line, so save and press F5. So it's all dotted. So it's like, let's say you have a different variety of you're plotting different variety of data in a single graph, and you want to like differentiate it. So this is a technique of doing it. So it's a yeah, it's quite handy, quite useful technique to know, so that your presentation or visualization of data will be effective. Let's say you want to change the color. So for blue, you could use. So we already saw blue. So let's specify it as green. Save this one and press F5. Okay. Here we go. We have an error. Save. Okay, let's pass this over here. So this is going to be green. So now if you want this, so you have the options to choose from: B for blue, G for green, R for red, C for cyan, M for magenta, Y for yellow, K for black, and W for white. So just Google it. It's gonna let you know. So, but it's gonna you have to pass it as a third argument to your plot function. Let's say I pass this as a third argument. So I want my line to be in black. So I pass K, and then let's see at the same time whether I could define the line style. I want it to be like dashed dotted. Save and press F1. Okay, so I think it could either be colored or it could be. You could either color your graph, if not, you could style your line. You can't have it both at the same time. Maybe that's the problem that I'm facing. Maybe that's the case. If there's any other way than doing both at the same time, then please let us know in the comment. So let's say that I want to add some markers to my graph. Markers in the sense like markers to my data points in the graph. So that's a better way of putting it. Uh, so I'll specify it like this. So there are like variety of markers. If you want a point on each and every single data point of yours, so it's gonna give you a point. So if I specify v vertex boolean, which is what it does for me. Save this and execute. So it's actually put a triangle for that, on all the data points. Close this up. Let's say I want a dot. Save FR. So it's actually both V and dotted. So if we want it to be dashed, oh yeah, it's dashed and you have a dot that's pretty much invisible. I'll keep the dash and then I'll change it to triangle up. So save this and execute. So you get this one. Uh, so it's a solid line. So if I want it to be dotted, then put another line, save and close the graph first. If not, it's going to give you an error. Save and execute. So it's just a dotted line now. So in similar way, you have a variety. You could put a star, a pentagon, a square, or triangle in different orientation, hexagon, plus diamond, thin diamond, vertical line, horizontal line on your data points in the graph. So you have variety of options. You could play with that and you could choose the one that's pretty much suitable for you. So I think that's it for this video. In our next video, we'll be seeing how to annotating the charts and adding labels, creating legend, and then we'll be pretty much done with this XY graph. So and then we'll jump straight into creating pie charts, bar graph, histograms, candlestick, box plots, scatter plots, and we'll be showing correlations and all those things on the graph. So yeah, stick with the video tutorial series. So we're gonna learn a lot more. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel, like the video. If you have any comments, comment below. Talk to you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.